Brussels has been blasted for orchestrating a territorial land grab over Northern Ireland by prominent unionist activist Jamie Bryson. European Union leaders have been slammed for seeking to add Northern Ireland to their empire through the implementation of the Brexit Protocol. Unionist and loyalist campaigner Jamie Bryson has been a vocal critic of the protocol on the grounds the new customs arrangements differentiate Northern Ireland from mainland Britain, both economically and constitutionally. Mr. Bryson has argued that the EU and Irish nationalists share a common objective, pulling Northern Ireland out of the UK. Mr. Bryson told Express.co.uk, the EU's objective is to create an overarching economic and political union. I mean, that is what the EU is all about. So they want to grab as much territory as they can and to subjugate it under their empire, as it were. That is the ultimate objective of the EU. So they are trying to grab Northern Ireland within their orbit. He added, Irish nationalism and the EU's objective alien. Because the Irish government and Irish nationalists want to grab Northern Ireland because they want there to be a united Ireland. The European Union want to grab Northern Ireland because they want an empire, as it were, with open borders and economic and political union. So it is a territorial land grab of Northern Ireland, stressed the editor of the Unionist Voice. The Loyalist campaigner also warned Scottish Unionists the Protocol Row may have a wider impact on the constitutional foundations of the United Kingdom, not just in Northern Ireland. In June, the High Court in Belfast threw out a legal challenge to the Northern Ireland Protocol, though did rule that the withdrawal bill had in effect overridden the 200-year-old Act of Union. Mr. Bryson is opposed to Justice Colton's decision to refuse a judicial review but has argued the case raised an alarming prospect for Unionists. He told Express.co.uk, if you ask what is the Union in a legal sense, in a constitutional sense is the Act of Union. If Justice Colton was right, let's say, and Article 6 of the Act of Union has been subject to implied repeal, continued Bryson. Well, I mean, it has been subject to implied repeal in Scotland, and in Wales and in England as well as Northern Ireland, he argued. I mean, there is nothing stopping Scotland then going and taking an approach which put it on a different footing to the rest of the United Kingdom, so the very fabric of the Union has been dismantled by the Protocol.